Jai Srimanarayana. 28th sloka of 5th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Na prahurusyet priyam prapya no dvijet प्राप्य च अप्रियं स्थिरबुद्धिः असम्मूढः ब्रह्मवित् ब्रह्मणि स्थितः Om. Learn the nature of your goal and the means to attain your goal from a bona fide teacher. That helps you to be focused and you will not be distracted. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends that every one of us should surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam saranam vraja." Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall learn the very nature of my goal and the means to attainment to my ultimate goal from a bona fide teacher. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall act according to your word. Sriman Narayana, Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I realize that I shall always remember that Rajogunam is the source for all sensible enjoyments, and I shall definitely keep on trying to see that Sattvagunam is dominated and Rajogunam is suppressed in me. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Bharata has 3 wives. They are Vidarbha Raja's daughters, but they don't have children. That is why Bharata, in order to be blessed with a child, with a male child, he did one yajnam which is known as Marutsomam. Then Maruto Bharadvajam Vupadaduhu. Then Marutas gave one son to Bharata. That son's name is Bharadvaja. Bharadvaja is also known as Vitadha. Then Vitadha's son is Manyu. Manyu has 5 sons: Bruhatkshetra, Jaya, Mahavirya, Nara, Garga. Nara has one son, Sankruti. Sankruti has 2 sons, Guru, Rantideva. Rantidevasya Mahima Ihamutra Chagiyate. That Rantideva became so famous, and all the humans and devatas also praised Rantideva. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarasyatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 5th chapter, 20th sloka. Na prahrusyet priyam prapya, no dvijet prapya cha priyam, sthira buddhira sammudhaha, brahmavid brahmani sthitaha. न प्रहृष्येत् प्रियं प्राप्य नो द्विजेत् प्राप्य च प्रियं स्थिरबुद्धिरसम्मूढः ब्रह्मविद् ब्रह्मणि स्थितः. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.